Tyler for Lover, and welcome back to another Samoan word of the day. We have a very cool Samoan word today, and our word is Siva Afi. Siva Afi. So if we break it down in just the words, we've got Siva, which is dance, Afi, which is fire. This is what we call, or what is called, fire knife dance in some places. I allow Afi, which brings back the traditional I allow part into the wording. So it's the spinning of fire knife, or the new for Oti, putting fire on each end and spinning, dancing. Siva Afi. Siva Afi. If you have tried Siva